Investors, first and foremost, a very happy Passover to those celebrating, and of course to those on the egg hunt, a happy Easter. Now, even though the holidays are upon us, it is certainly not the time to take our foot off the gas, as 10 dividend stocks have their ex-dividend dates next week. What is an ex-dividend date? It's the day before the record date when a company checks the records to identify shareholders of the company. Now, if an investor fails to purchase a stock before its ex-dividend date, they're simply out of luck and won't receive the next dividend payment. If you're new here, I'm Ari, a value and dividend investor on YouTube, with a simple mission to keep you updated with economic insights, stock ideas, and all the information that you're going to need to help you reap more success as a dividend investor. However, today, we're going to keep it very simple with 10 dividend stocks with their ex-dividend dates coming up next week. Before we dive in, if you find any value in this video, please tap on that thumbs up button, as it lets me know I should keep creating content very similar to today's video. And moreover, join me on the dividend investing journey by simply subscribing if you're really looking to drive up profits in 2023. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. So kicking us off on Monday, April 10th, we have Dollar General, ticker symbol DG, which is one of the largest discount retailers providing various merchandise. Now, this is certainly an investment that fares well during economic uncertainty as consumers look for cheaper deals to save money. However, at this time, Dollar General has a current share price of $211.87 with a current annual dividend yield of 1.05%. That results in a dividend amount of 59 cents per share with a payout date scheduled for April 25th. In addition to Dollar General, we have Oracle, ticker symbol ORCL, the third largest software company in the world by revenue and market cap, with its ex-dividend date on Monday as well. As of this video, Oracle has a share price of $93.92 with a current annual dividend yield of 1.44%. That results in a dividend amount of 40 cents per share with a payout date scheduled for April 24th. Moving into Tuesday, April 11th, it's the ex-dividend date for Bank United, ticker symbol BKU, which offers more than just your everyday banking services like commercial lending and deposit products. And while this bank has recently seen some volatility, it perhaps may be a solid opportunity with a current share price of $22.31 with a current annual dividend yield of 4.57%, resulting in a dividend amount of 27 cents per share with a payout date scheduled for April 28th. Jumping right into Wednesday, April 12th, it's the ex-dividend day for another large financial player, UBS Group AG, ticker symbol UBS, which is a banking institution based out of Switzerland, but with a major presence around the globe and is actually the largest private bank in the world. Now, UBS currently has a share price of $20.70 with a current annual dividend yield of 2.67%. That results in a dividend amount of 28 cents per share, with the payout date scheduled for April 14th. And while Wednesday was not as busy, Thursday, April 13th is packed when it comes to ex-dividend dates. First up, we have Abbott Laboratories, ticker symbol ABT, which is a medical device and healthcare company with quite a history after being founded back in 1888. However, as of today, Abbott Laboratories has been ebbing and flowing with the market, currently with a share price of $101.59 with a current annual dividend yield of 1.93%, resulting in a dividend amount of 51 cents per share with that payout date scheduled for May 15th. But we also have AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV, with their ex-dividend day as well, which was actually a spin-off of Abbott Laboratories, but became a pharmaceutical-focused industry leader pretty quickly, making great strides in the development of leading drugs and treatments. Today, AbbVie is trading for $160.42 with a current annual dividend yield of 3.6%, ultimately resulting in a dividend amount of $1.48 per share with that payout date scheduled for May 15th. And if we head into the energy sector, we also have EOG Resources, ticker symbol EOG, with their ex-dividend day. EOG Resources is engaged in the exploration, development, and production of crude oil, as well as natural gas operating in the United States, Trinidad, as well as China and Canada. Currently, EOG has a share price of $121.41 per share with a current annual dividend yield of 7.37%, resulting in a dividend amount of 82 cents per share with that payout date scheduled for April 28th. But on Thursday, we could also jump into the defense contracting business with General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, which is an aerospace and defense contractor focused on technologically advanced jets, command, control, and combat systems, and nuclear submarines. General Dynamics is just a powerhouse with clients like the US government, making it very reliable. As of this video, General Dynamics is trading for $232.36 per share with a current dividend yield of 2.19%, which correlates to a dividend amount of $1.32 per share, with that payout date scheduled for May 12th. And to wrap up our Thursday, we can also do so with American Tower, ticker symbol AMT, which is the largest real estate investment trust and leading independent owner and operator of wireless and broadcast communications infrastructure in several countries worldwide. American Tower has a current share price of $201.10 per share with a current annual dividend yield of 2.99%, resulting in a dividend amount of $1.56 per share with a payout date scheduled for April 29th. And finally, on Friday, April 14th, Hormel Foods, ticker symbol HRL, a food processing company coming in hot with an ex-dividend day. Hormel Foods is focused on the packaging and selling of ham, sausage, and other pork, chicken, beef, and lamb products. As of today, has the current share price of $40.42 per share, with a current annual dividend yield of 2.64%, that results in a dividend amount of 28 cents per share, with the payout date scheduled for May 15th. And there you have it, investors, 10 wildly popular dividend stocks with their ex-dividend dates next week. But please remember, none of these stocks were shared today as a recommendation to buy them, but simply to inform you of the ex-dividend dates so you can continue to collect on all the cash flow. But if you're invested in or about to invest in any of these stocks, let me know down in the comments below. And remember, if you found today's video of any value, please let me know by tapping on that thumbs up button and subscribing, as it helps me tremendously in growing this channel and reaching more dividend investors like yourself. With that, we'll see you all in the next video.